Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here, and today I have a video for the Traci Designs Creative Team. We are hosting the Brighter Days YouTube Hop today, so I hope that you will check out all the participants down below, watch their videos, leave a little bit of love, and in this video I'm going to share with you my process. This layout is created with Brighter Days along with what Traci is calling a footnote collection called Out and About. And so recently, my husband and I, of course, you may know, we moved 3 hours away from our old home. And recently, we discovered a new sushi slash ramen slash hibachi place. And it was a wonderful little date night, just a cozy place that the food was amazing, called Saka Sushi. And it was just a great time. And so I wanted to use these two collections together to document this fun date night. And so the first thing I did was my background. And I've chosen a couple of pattern papers from the kits, the black grid and the yellow gingham there. They contrast each other, but also provide an opportunity for the photos and the elements to pop on top of the lighter yellow. And then I've used a torn paper strip that is a digital element from MBK Designs. And then I also added, as you can see, the rainbow, the digital wood grain arrows there that kind of lead your eye around the page, and the word art that says today was a good day. And the word art repeats the black from the background itself. I also added some ink splatters myself, just using some of the brushes in Photoshop. For the photos, I used the slide frames that are in the collection and layered them over top of my two photos. And so one of them is square oriented. I think I printed them out at about 3 1/4, 3.5 inches. That the one of Alan is the square, and then the other one is actually, you could do horizontal oriented or vertical oriented and turn it on its side. And that's what I did. I added my date prior to printing. And then I'm also going to add this little word strip from the Brighter Days collection. This is my journal tag here, or journal label. And I'm just tucking that underneath the main photo. There's a little flower on that label. And instead of letting that disappear underneath the photos, I'm going to add a actual purple flower from the collection on top there, just to add some more layers and some more happy elements. There are always more opportunities to add embellishments and elements and all the cute little things. I did, however, keep this kind of minimalistic. For me, one of the reasons that I kept it minimalistic for this layout was because I wanted the background to shine. The background with the arrows, the background with the title. It's a very stunning title that automatically pulls you in. And that adorable little rainbow that's tucked underneath the torn page edge. And then, of course, the torn edge gives a little bit of texture there. And then I'm also adding more arrows here with the hearts. And those little arrows say here. One of them says here, and the other one says there. And they're just pointing inwards onto the photos. And I love that. I love how simple it is. Now, one of the other things that I've played with here is white elements. And obviously the torn page is a very prominent white element. The little border around the banners is also a prominent white border at the top of the layout. And that very simply is my layout for today. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.